Hi, hello everybody. Okay, this is my second video that I'm making. Okay, but this is different. It's exactly the same as the previous one, where you have the rotary encoder that open doors or safe for any movement from distance, input in a combination codes. Okay, so in this case, we have the same system, but it's managed by distance, remotely, with the ESP-NOW, okay, which is a feature that Expressive has on the ESP32 and ESP8266, almost all ESP. Okay, so this is two ESP32 communicated via peer-to-peer. Or code, it's that I've already input in. It's 423. Okay, so 423. Let's have a look. You move it around. No, that's plus. Four. And press button switch. 2. Button switch. Access denied because I press it double. Okay, so let's start again. That's 4, press. 2, press. Access granted. Okay, so what it does is if you put the wrong number, the wrong combination, it'll say access denied. And if it's correct, it's access granted. Okay, and here's the code. This will be the transmitter. Which is the rotary encoder. Okay, so you will need a ESP-NOW.H, which is, in this case, it's got the little iPhone here. Okay, if you use a ESP8266, then you put it straight. You take this one off, and you just put ESP-NOW without the iPhone. Okay, then you need a rotary encoder.h, which is the library as well to manage the rotary encoder movement. I'm not going to teach you what's a rotary encoder because I imagine that people should know already. I'm not a teacher. I'm just showing program as the finished product. Okay, so here it's the clock will be, I put it on pin 4 and the data is on pin 3 and the switch button is on pin 5. And the rest will be published on the... Okay, now you need, this is my MAC address, so please do not use it, or I'll take them off. You need to have your MAC address from the receiver. So this is a transmitter. When you go to the receiver, so you need to get the MAC address from the receiver where your OLED is, which is this one. See? This is a transmitter. Sorry, this is a receiver, this is a transmitter, okay. This is in transmitting the information into the screen. So you need the MAC address of the receiver to give it to the transmitter so that it can communicate. I hope I got this right. Okay, so here we are, the code. The correct combination is 423, as I said. So once you got, in order to get, okay, I mean, you can do it easily. You can add the print MAC address here. I just use a separate file, which is a MAC address file. Okay, this is the MAC address file, which I will add it to the, I will add this one to the GitHub. so that you guys can copy paste and use it for your, just careful with the port, because it's so easy to change, to get confused with your COM. You plug everything in, then you unplug them, then you put the COM 71, which is in this case it would be the transmitter, but become the receiver, and then nothing works. So be very careful with that. All right. Right is very important because I often confuse the ports from my experience. Okay, so remember that these MAC address, the receiver MAC address. So you must put, this is set up already with the zero time. 34, B4, 72, and so on. This is my Mac, but your Mac will be similar. And you just have to leave that 0x untouched and just replace these two numbers. Okay, I'm going to put 00 here, so it won't affect. But once you got your Mac, you'll get it when you start, and then you reset. You press reset and your Mac will show here. Okay. Unless you just want to add an extra feature, print a MAC address, which you can do that. Because if you look at here, it's probably, I think you need to use, it's always best to have an extra file. You see here, no, I don't want a string, just print. Say serial print MAC address, serial print MAC address. Okay, so this will print the MAC address. In this case, it's got a string here, so I mean, yeah. So there you are. I could show you how to get the MAC address, but you can do it yourself. What you do, you run the MAC address in this case. You go and have a look at the receiver. So your receiver, the OLED, which is the receiver, it's on COM 89. So you must get this one. In my case, I would get it on COM 89, and then we'll produce a MAC address of the receiver, in my case, okay? I'm not going to do that now because the previous video I cock it up, and then I couldn't get it going, and I just wasted an hour. And because I swap COM 89 with COM 71, and then I run, then while I'm making the video, I run the MAC address finder, and then when I put it all back, it couldn't work. Okay, so there we are. This works. Let's try again. You can see the screen. I think it's, as we said, it's so it's 423. Access grant. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Thank you. Bye. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it.